Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today we will discuss infection control principles and practices. Open your book because class is in session. Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm your instructor, Charles Howard. Being a barber professional is not only rewarding, but it is also a great responsibility. One careless action could cause injury or infection, which is the invasion of body tissues by disease-causing pathogens. Effective infection control in the barbershop also influences the professional image of the establishment. A client's first impression of the shop begins the moment they open the door. There are thousands of different kinds of bacteria which fall into two primary types, pathogenic and non-pathogenic. Most bacteria are non-pathogenic, which means they are harmless organisms that may perform useful functions, and they are safe to come in contact with since they do not cause disease or harm. On the other hand, we have pathogenic bacteria. They are harmful microorganisms that can cause disease or infection in humans when they invade the body. Shops as well as schools must maintain strict standards for cleaning and disinfecting at all times to prevent the spread of pathogenic microorganisms. There are three classifications of pathogenic bacteria that we will discuss. They will sound a little like rapper names, but you decide. Cocci, Bacilli, and Spirilla. Cocci are round-shaped bacteria that appear singly or alone, or they appear in groups. Bacilli are short, round-shaped bacteria, and Spirilla are spiral or corkscrew-shaped bacteria. Cocci rarely demonstrate self-movement and are generally transmitted in the air, in dust, or within the substance in which they settle. Bacilli and Spirilla are both capable of movement and use slender hair-like extensions called flagella for moving about. Now, it is crucial that students learn proper infection control practices while in school to ensure that they understand the importance of following them throughout their career. Here is your assignment. Make sure that you watch implements, tools, and equipment and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified when a new video comes out. If you like this video, make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online. And if you would like more information about our Barber Boot Camp, visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. Class dismissed.